this tutorial, we for today's video, we are going to be making a website, a very simple website with maybe description about ourselves. Then we put it online using GitHub static pages. Now, these GitHub static pages, I'll get into detail about that later on as we continue. So we have our MC folder here. We are going to open it with code so we can start writing the code. Yeah. So yes, we have it. Close the welcome page. Then we'll create our first file, the index.html. I'm going to go a little fast about this because I'm presuming that you guys already know how the website works, how in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript work. So maybe you just don't know how to put your work online. I'll just show you how to put your static pages online, stuff like that. So I'll go pretty fast. So create our styles with CSS file. So do we need, and I don't think we need any JavaScript, so we'll just go with that. Then we'll open our live server. And that's one good thing about Visual Studio Code. The live server is the best editor if you ask me. So we put in our what's it called? Put in the backbone, whatever. So we put in required things for HTML files. So we name this. Let us name our work. I'm not quite creative today, so I don't have any name to give it. So if you save this and refresh, it shows our work. So let's proceed. So what do we want exactly? We're going to create a little description about ourselves and then we put it online. So let's start with a div. Then this div, we want the h1 saying is John Doe. True. Yes, my name is John Doe. So then you want to throw in some lorem ipsum text. Yes. How does that look? Yeah, we are not quite beautiful. So let's throw in some styles. First, let's link up our file to our index to our CSS. So to do that, we'll use link. So yes, styles.css, and we can start writing our styles. So I want to keep this a class. Let's say class header. Yeah, sorry, I have to change this div. Let's say container. Yes, container. Then for header, what style should we give it? Let's check if it's available first. So yes, so it's there. So now what style should we give it? Let's change the font size to rem. Oh, difference 4 rem. This is, I'll leave this, then we'll align it, text align center. And now let's try editing our container. So the class container, I want to give it a width that's 80% of our screen. Then margin auto, put it in the center. We also add the margin on the top to top and bottom. So say 10%. save it. Now you can see, so now I have this extension, it's called pesticide. It lets you see the dimensions or so of your work. So you guys can go download it if you need it. It's called pesticide. So yeah, so this is it. We have a margin top and bottom here. So let's try starting a paragraph. I want to give it a class. So let's see, sorry, class para. So our para class, what style do we give it again? Let's increase the font size. Sorry, font size to 3 rem. Save it. Okay, looking nice, looking nice. That's quite okay. So change the color. Let's try aligning it center. Text align center. Oops. I don't really like this. Let's just delete it. Center. Then let's give the container background colors. Background color. What nice color. Let's use this. No, I don't really like this. Let's just it a bit. Definitely not. Now let's go with this. Then we'll give our work a padding. Let's see, 20 pixels. Not bad, not bad. But then I don't want it over coming out. Let's remove this margin a bit to 5%. Still too much. 1%. Not bad, not bad, not bad. So let's try and see whether we can underline our header. Header to text decoration. Decoration underline. Nice. Ooh, should we change the text color for our paragraph? Color should be white. Sorry, white. Now leave it at black. Not much contrast. So I think this is all. This is all for now. So now what's left for us to do is to try and put this online, and we're going to use GitHub static pages. Now GitHub, for those of you who don't know GitHub, it's an online repository where which enables open source or whatever so I'll mark this out. So yes, this is GitHub. Just head over to github.com. Then if you aren't signed up to GitHub, you should try creating an account for yourself. You see that's where you open it. So after you create an account, then you're directed to your repositories. Right now you're going to have no repositories, as I have a few over here. So then just come over here. Then yeah, first I'll show you how to put your work online. Two ways you can do it. You can do it by through the command line, or you can do it through the desktop interface. So first create a new repository, then give it a name. Let's see, online work. Yes, so your repository you created as online work. So if this name is not taken, it's going to show that you can create an online work. So description, let's see, put in work web site online using GitHub pages. So you can either set it to private or public Previously, in the past previous years, private was not allowed. You had to pay some fee, but now those guys pitied us and they gave us a free way to get this private and public. So I'll just leave it as public so anyone who can look at it. I don't know when I'm going to look at that. But anyone wants to look at that, they can check it out themselves. So for now, we're gonna skip all this. Oh no, we'll add a readme instead. Add a readme, then we'll create the repository. It's going to take a while depending on your internet. Okay, mine is done. So now you have the online work. So now this is our readme, and it's going to be what's the name of our repository, and then the description we gave you earlier. So now doing it through your desktop, like without the command line, what you can do is click on this add file, then you come here and then upload files. So then now you can choose your files, and I'm going to navigate over there. I'm going to navigate over there. So it's in desktop. Yes, so here it is. So now we're going to select all of this, and then mind you, you should always please do it like this, guys. Your index.html should not be in a folder. It should be on its own. If not, it's not going to work. So highlight everything like that, and then click on add. It's going to upload. It's going to upload. So then after we're done, we can add some commits. So one rule about or best practice of writing a commit is that you do it in the present tense. So now I'm going to write like how they did it here is add files via upload. They didn't say added files via upload. So add files here. So I'm going to say put a website online. Yeah. Now description. Now I can send anyone anywhere a link to access my work. Ooh, mistake. So we'll leave this commit directly to main branch, leave it checked, do not check this, then commit changes. So this might take a few minutes to complete. Okay, so after it's done, you see put our website online. These are our files we added, and then our readme, which is our initial commit. So then after that's done, we'll come over to settings. So click on it, and then we'll scroll all the way down. Yes, the way we have GitHub pages. So you can see GitHub pages is designed to host your personal organization or project pages from GitHub repository. So right now we're going to click this, click on main branch, and then we'll save this. So after we save it, if we go down back and check it again, see, yes, now your site is ready to be published at this link over here. So that's nice. And so that's all for now. So then if you click on this link, it's take us to our work. Voila, that's how you put your website or whatever you make, as long as it's static. And what I mean by static, does not have any back end, no server side configuration. You can access each page without sending a request to a server or anything like that. Just it should be client side. That means you can access anywhere from the browser. It shouldn't be server side. That's basically it. So thank you for watching this video. try your best to like and subscribe. At least give me some motivation to keep on making these videos for you guys. Even though you don't like it, just try to smash the like button to at least give me some support here. So thanks and see you next time with my next video.